is the Keep Going First Aid Kit. We were sent this for purposes of this video. This is the perfect travel size. It's kind of like a little wristlet. It's got a zipper. I'm going to show you some more features in a second, but I just wanted to also show you before I cut this off that they have a little instructional booklet in here because there is a tick remover inside. So this tells you how to do it. It also shows that it is a family run and owned company, which we love, packaged, made in the USA on the East Coast. So I'm gonna snip this off. So again, you can see it comes with a little detachable wristlet. So this could be an individual pouch, which is nice. And it comes in various patterns. We love the tie-dye. It's really fun, bright and colorful. So it could be an individual pouch, or especially if you're going camping or hiking, especially if you have kids, you're gonna wanna take this, put it around your wrist. And then I'm gonna show you what's inside. This has hundreds of pieces. And at first we thought, seems a little expensive, but then we got it and can't believe how high quality this is. So it comes with a zippered compartment on the front. You have everything from cotton swabs here, you know, like into Q-tips, to safety pins. You have a scissor here. Here's the tick remover in here. You have tweezers, you have thread. I mean, if you package this separately, if you bought everything separately and had to pay for it all, plus this awesome container, which you would never find yourself, it would be way more than the cost of this. This has the best little pockets that have Band-Aids in here. And after you go through these Band-Aids, you know, you can refill it with your own. It has triple antibiotic cream. We have lip balm, more antibiotic cream, sting relief pad, and alcohol prep pad, non-stinging cleansing wipe, which of course we all have either been with a child or been a child ourselves and have memories of how much it stings, so that's nice. There's hydrocortisone in here, more friendly Band-Aids, and all the adults that are young at heart would also love these. And they're nice fabric that comes with this. They're not, you know, the ones that are gonna come off in 2 seconds. They're really nice quality. Burn gel, just in case. A butterfly closure, which is great for a more severe cut. There's fingertip Band-Aids, knuckle Band-Aids. We have this gauze pad in here, a couple of those. So again, this is really high quality. It's all Keep Going branded, so you cannot get this from anyone but Keep Going. It also comes with some tape here, some really cute stickers from Keep Going. I love these. And then also back here in this mesh net area, we have waterproof bandage, an extra large fabric bandage, some moleskin, and an empty bag, just in case you need it for anything. We also have nosebleed plug, a little thermometer for your body temperature, an additional empty bag, and then a guide to everything, just in case you need to reference this. It's kind of like a cheat sheet of if you get a splinter, what to do, if you have an eye injury, what to do, you know, if you get a sprain, any of this, CPR. This is really valuable in itself, so we love that. And again, you can just throw it in your luggage or your backpack, put it on your wrist. It's great for theme parks. Holy crap, this is great for theme parks. Great for even water parks. How many times have we all kind of like scuffed our skin in a pool? So this is the Keep Going kit. We love the quality and love how much comes with it, and highly recommend this for all of your vacation or outdoor at home needs.